All right, team, focus on the chest plate.
The hydraulics on the lower leg section are... Focus the laser array on the upper quadrant.
R7. Initiate precision cleaning.
Watch the clearance on the right side. Easy, easy. Bring it down now.
Hold it there. Bring the crane down slowly.
The structural integrity seems compromised by the rust. Handle with extreme caution.
Lower it slowly. We've got contact on the port side. Look at the stress fractures here. We need a full scan of this area immediately.
This entire section is compromised. We need to replace the hydraulics.
And these stress fractures near the knee joint are critical. All right, let's get the scanner up here now.
The fracture runs deeper than we thought.
Caliper reads almost 5 inches right here. We need a full schematic before attempting repair. The chest plating is compromised here.
All right, team. Use the high-pressure scraper on the lower leg sections now. The macro photography confirms stage 3 corrosion on the metacarpals. Understood. Look at the oxidation on the chest plate.
We'll start the high pressure wash there.
All right, let's see what's underneath. Careful with the splashback.
Yeah, I see it. Keep going. Snag on the lower strut.
Copy that. Holding steady.
Check the hydraulics pressure now. Maintain the arc. We're seeing good results on the thermal scan.
Copy that. Increasing speed.
The thermal readout on the chest plate is stable.
Good. Proceed to the shoulder assembly.
The energy readings are stable. Good.
The structural integrity of the antenna is critical for the long-range transceiver.
Articulation sequence initiated. Open palm to full extension. Close fist. All indicators green.
Utilizing an HVLP system ensures a flawless finish. The restoration is nearly complete.
All right, yeah!
Almost there. Easy now.
It's connected.
Yeah, we got him back.